the shape. Surface of the stone is still so rough, no? Colors are not clear, it's not smooth. But please, come to this side. Just stay behind the red line. Because the Goreme is splash. We use sandpapers, as you will see, rough, fine, and finer. Finally, we will use this chemical powder, chromium oxide, which gives a shine to the stone. After that, we can see the natural beauty. Natural colors and the beauty, you can see. Yeah, that's all about Onyx. Do you have any question? I think everything is okay, no? I have a question. Do you know the typical stone of Turkey?
The one?
No, another stone. This is local from here, but there is a symbolical stone of Turkey. The color of the stone is blue. Which stone that is?
I don't know. Sapphire, is it sapphire?
No. Sri Lanka has sapphire.
Blue apa? Ruby.
Ruby is red.
Ruby red.
Emerald is green.
Emerald is green.
There is a blue stone in Turkey. Do you know that?
Amethyst.
No. Purple.
Tahu semua sih.
The name of the stone is related to Turkey.
Wait, think.
No idea.
I think you know that.
Apa ya?
Turquoise.
This is for you. Turquoise. Blue, no? Turquoise is blue. And it's named turquoise, Turkish word. Now let's go and see.
Very nice, very nice.
Mana yang cakap murah tu eh?
This is her side.
Silver dia kata murah sikit. Lower end. It's a silver one or what? The lower end.
This is
Silver.
925 carats of silver.
Silver. The color change. Follow the color. Cantik ni. Tak ada pun. Tak ada. Kejap biru, kejap merah.